Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Alright, nothing available. Alright. Let me pick a business process definition. All these are derived. Just trying to get something which is going to be more relevant for you. Okay. I'll get it for you. So let me take locations. That's much cleaner and easier. Alright. Let's pick the location that we have over here, the locations that you created, because I wanted to show you something else, but there's some restrictions. So for every location that we have separate IDs over here, which is called as the reference ID, the one that I was just talking about. So for every location that we've created, it will have an appropriate location reference ID, which you can use in predominantly all your calculations, or your external, or that is, out-amount or inbound EIBs. So that is specifically what I've used over here as well for the supervisory organization. So, coming back to my create position table. So first for the supervisory organization. I've just filled it out based on the organization ID. The next important field is going to be your posting title, job description. And then rest of them are not mandatory. So I'm just quickly skimming across to the next level. The other fields are not necessarily required, which means if you want to have them, you can possibly have them. Otherwise, it is not required. All these, the skill set, skill metrics, and everything. If you want to have it, you can have it. And the next most important date is going to be the date on which you want to have the availability date. Skill date, as on whatever date, availability date as you all know what is going to positions. Availability date from when I want to have it. And if I want to have the earliest hire date, I can have it populated. Otherwise, it's going to automatically get it from availability date. Next, my job profile, which is always important. And again, I picked a sample job profiles reference. ID the same. I'll just show it to you here as well. Go to the decoration ID. I just picked job profile. Alright. So I have all my areas over here. Let me pick the value that I have for 5100. So if I filter it based on the ID, this is the job profile and I pick the instance of consultant. And it has the appropriate reference ID of 45,100 at the reference ID. That is for the consultant job profile. So I've used the same thing over here as well. And the location again. For location, I picked the San Francisco reference ID, which is again San Francisco _site. Alright. And rest of the fields are not mandatory. So just a few fields which are mandatory over here, I picked only those which are mandatory. And rest of them are non-mandatory fields over here. I'm not similar to how we created in our real-world supervisory organization positions. And when I load it across, I'm going to be having all my positions created over here. Manager Rian 1 all the way till 13. So I've created 13 different positions over here right now using the EIB template. Clear this one.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.